Wow, an animal puzzle is here! Hi friends, let's discover who these animals are. They live in a place called Australia. Let's color them and learn. We'll start with the big Australia background. Australia is a land with lots of colors. Green reminds us of trees where animals hide. Australia is full of amazing wild creatures. Many of them love climbing and resting in trees. Some stay cool in the shade when it gets hot. I think that's enough with this color. Now, yellow looks like Australia's warm, sunny ground. Parts of Australia are sandy, like a big desert. Some animals hop across these dry places. Others jump from branch to branch. Blue is for the cool water and rivers. Animals come to drink when they're thirsty. Some like swimming for fun. Australia is full of amazing places for animals to live. Some animals like to dig in the brown soil. They make cozy homes underground. Uh-oh, the animals hopped away. Let's catch and color them. So, which animal do we catch first? Oh, here comes our bouncy friend. Let's give it a warm orange color, just like the sunny land it lives in. This animal loves to hop really, really far. It can even jump higher than a house. Isn't that cool? Let's add some black lines so we can see its cute face clearly. Look at the tiny baby peeking from the pouch. Hello, little one. This animal is called kangaroo. Now, where does this belong? Not there. Here, maybe? Try again. Yes, that's the right spot. Boing, boing, perfect. Next, this tall bird is ready for some colors. Here's yellow for the beak and legs. This bird has super strong legs for running fast. Black for its soft dark feathers that look a bit like messy hair. But that helps it keep it cool. This bird is the second biggest bird in the world. That's amazing! White makes the feathers look fluffy. And done! This is emu. Let's find its home on the board. Nope, not that one. Not here either. There it is, perfect match. Here's an animal that looks like a mix of everything. We'll start with brown for its soft and fuzzy body. This animal has thick fur. Now orange for the tail, legs, and funny snout. A little white and black for some details. The snout helps it find food without even opening its eyes. What a unique animal. And it's called platypus. Let's find its place. Oops, not here. There it is, slide it right in. Aw, look at this cuddly little pair. These ones love climbing tall trees. Give them some gray, it's their natural fur color. They have very thick fur that keeps them warm when the wind gets chilly. The babies often ride piggyback just like this. They do this until they're brave enough to climb alone. Black for the eyes and outline, soft round ears too. These animals move so slowly, like they're always relaxing. It's the koala family. Let's look for their spot. Is it here? Nope. Nuh-uh, still not right. What about here? Yes, snuggle it right into place. Look at this cheerful feathery friend. Brush some yellow for the front crest, top beak, and leg. Then a bit of orange. Now white for the rest of its tall crest and the whole body. These birds love climbing and hanging upside down. They can make lots of silly sounds too. Do you know it? It's cockatoo. It's looking for its place. Not that one. That's wrong. Yup, that's the one. Whoa, this one looks like a dog. Ready for some colors? Orange. Although they look like dogs, they rarely bark. These clever animals live all over Australia, from forests to deserts. They love running and exploring the big open lands. Brown. They can run really fast and have super hearing. Amazing animal! Now, outline everything with black, bold and strong. It looks so handsome. This wild dog is called Dingo. Is this Dingo's place? Nope. There it is. Fit the dingo right in. Whoa, look at this little critter. It looks super strong. We'll start with dark gray for the whole body. These animals live on an island called Tasmania. They make funny growly noises. Black. When excited, they puff up and show their teeth, looking tough but small. This is Tasmanian Devil. Is this its puzzle spot? No. There it is. In it goes. Perfect fit. Next is this little one who loves flying through trees. Brown goes on the edges of the body. They stretch their skin like tiny capes to glide from tree to tree. Then gray for the inner part of the body. White for the center and the cute face lines. And pink for the tiny paws. Here comes Flying Squirrel. Let's try this spot. Nope. Next one. Still no. Green check, perfect spot. Moving on to the next animal. Oh, this one has cool stripy patterns. Orange all over the body, smooth and even. Not only stripes, this animal has a pouch too. Add soft red inside the legs. Now the fun part, black outline and stripes across the back. It can hop on two legs when moving quietly. And it's called Tasmanian Wolf. Try a spot. Try again. That's the one. Oh, hello, tiny friend. It's ready for some colors. Let's start from the bottom with orange. Next, brown on top for the spiky fur. Then, white spikes, tap, tap, tap all across. And bold black lines around the whole body. So cute! This animal that curls up into a ball is an Australian echidna. Nope, that's not its spot. That looks fit. Yes, perfect match. Hey, this bird has a super scoopy mouth, doesn't it? Let's begin with an orange beak and yellow claws. White is for its feathery body. That giant beak is for scooping up fish. Black lines to show its feathers and outline, looking cool. It's pelican, the bird with a stretchy beak. No, that's not its spot. Yup, that's the one. Aw, this chunky friend looks super cuddly. These animals are usually brown. Brush it all over its body. They are great diggers. They make long tunnels underground. Give a little darker brown for the fuzzy fur on top. Dark brown for the inner legs and nose too. Did you know their teeth never stop growing? How awesome! Shape the outline and details with black. They also walk with a chunky waddle. And this cutie is a wombat. It takes the last empty spot in the puzzle. Let's say the animals again. Cockatoo, koala, kangaroo, dingo, emu, flying squirrel, wombat, Tasmanian wolf, pelican, Tasmanian devil, Australian echidna, and platypus. Awesome! See you next time, friends. You did great!